Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So make sure you have the internet connection, Bluetooth enabled, and once you do, open the App Store. I'm gonna open the Google Play Store because I'm using the Android device, but if you're using the iPhone, you can also open App Store there and download the application normally. Okay, so let's open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search, type in Connect IQ and tap on search, and you should see this application called Connect IQ Store. Download and install it, so let's tap on the install button and wait until it's done installing. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you will see this screen. Now let's tap on the welcome button. Here you can continue with the account that you used to pair the devices together, the watch and phone, or you can tap on switch accounts to switch to different account. I'm just gonna tap on continue, check the box, tap on next, allow the permission if asked. And after a couple seconds, the IQ Store should load. And here we have the main page. You can scroll through it to browse different categories of apps and watch faces. You can find the app you would like to use and tap on it to view the info about it, like this. But I'm just gonna tap on search right here. Select apps category to narrow the search only for apps or to apps. And now I can scroll through the list and browse through the apps and find the app I want to install. And once you find the app, tap on it. Like I said before, you will have the info page of the application. Here you can do a couple of things. You can check the info of the app, screenshots. You can tap on reviews to read the reviews. Also, if you're not sure the app will work on your watch, you can scroll down, tap on the compatible devices, and here you can scroll through the list of devices and look for your watch. We're looking for the Forerunner, so let's scroll down. And here we have it. And here we have our Forerunner 245. So it means this app should work on our watch. And once you want to install the application, tap on the install button. And let's wait. This may take some time. And once the application is done installing, you will get this pop-up. You can tap on Got It. And now you will see the uninstall button and means that the application is installed. To open the application on your watch, you can simply go to the watch face home screen, press the start button to open the favorites menu, and here you can press the down button to scroll down through the list of applications. And at the bottom you should see your app. And you can press the start button to open it. As you can see, it's working and we can use it. Okay. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.